Ever since its origins, SCM has always based its success on offering solid solutions to its customers and meeting the needs of the market. Today, in the age of Industry 4.0 and mass customization, our experience in the field has finally allowed us to develop a whole new model of production. More flexible, more modular, more scalable. It's a system where humans and technology work in perfect synergy to cater for all tastes and requirements in the market. So now, take these latest generation SCM machines and compose the cells to suit your exact needs with industrial robots. Connect them to each other with self-driving shuttles and add collaborative robots to work with your operators, who meanwhile will be able to carry out other tasks better. And you will have created the Smart and Human Factory by SCM. So far, so good, right? But what is so special about the Smart and Human Factory is the software system's ability to process all kinds of orders that have different features: high or low, narrow wide, green, yellow, red. They're all processed together in the same production cycle and constantly monitored, optimizing and minimizing both time and waste. And at the end, and only at the end, will the orders be magically put back together one by one, ready for delivery to the customer. That's pretty great, right? But to guarantee maximum efficiency from your system, one key element is still missing: Maestro Connect, the IoT system for which technologies by SCM will be able to dialogue and communicate with you, making your own work a very unique experience. Scheduled and unscheduled maintenance interventions, as well as spare parts and technical support, will no longer be a problem, even remotely, with our augmented reality smart tech. Maestro Connect will analyze data and events input from the machines, planning everything for you in advance, zero stress. With its Smart and Human Factory and its software and digital services, SCM ensures constant support and interaction between machines and human operators, so as to design, to implement, and to create sustainable solutions over time for all types of furniture. Smart and Human Factory by SCM. You will never work alone.